Hello, sweet tooth enthusiasts. Today, we're indulging our taste buds with a classic Indian dessert, Gulab Jamun. Get ready to make these soft and sweet delights right in your own kitchen. Let's dive into the world of sweet perfection. Before we start, let's take a look at the ingredients. For Gulab Jamun, Khoya, reduced milk, all-purpose flour, baking soda, ghee, clarified butter, milk, as needed for kneading, oil or ghee, for frying, for sugar syrup, sugar, water, cardamom pods, saffron strands, optional, rose water, optional. Now, let's get into the cooking process. Follow along for a step-by-step guide. In a bowl, combine Khoya, all-purpose flour, baking soda, and a tablespoon of ghee. Knead the mixture, adding milk gradually, until you have a soft and smooth dough. Divide the dough into small, equal-sized balls. Roll each ball between your palms to create smooth, crack-free balls. Heat oil or ghee in a pan for frying. Ensure it's at medium heat. Gently slide the prepared balls into the hot oil. Fry until they turn golden brown, ensuring they cook evenly on all sides. In a separate pan, combine sugar, water, cardamom pods, saffron strands, and rose water, if using. Let it simmer until the sugar dissolves and the syrup thickens slightly. Once fried, drop the Gulab Jamun into the warm sugar syrup. Let them soak for at least 1 to 2 hours for that perfect sweetness. And there you have it, our easy homemade Gulab Jamun, ready to be enjoyed. I hope you enjoyed making these Gulab Jamuns with me. If you did, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more sweet recipes, and let me know in the comments what dessert you'd like to try next. Happy cooking!